Hey everyone, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Brandon.
And this is Fish or Price Ranch. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Sarah with Fish or Price Ranch. First off, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So we are hiding inside today, but we will be heading out a little bit later to, check on the baby goats and make sure all the baby bunnies are doing well and basically do our feeding. But we have up to 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts today and snow. And the snow just started probably, 10-15 minutes ago, and it's already starting to stick, and it's supposed to be into the single digits at night for the next couple nights, so it's going to be very cold. But let me show you guys what it looks like outside right now. So that's what it's looking like right now. Just starting to stick on the ground. We still have a little bit of snow left from the last one, but this is all fresh snow here, so we'll see what it looks like later. Alright you guys, well, it's 28 degrees out and windy, but the sun came out. You can kind of see the storm cloud behind me is moving away. We have another one that's pushing in here in about an hour and a half or so. But we just finished feeding everybody while we had the gap in weather. And I noticed all the baby goats were in one house, one barn. And so I wanted to go down and we'll spend a few minutes with them. Luckily we didn't get too much snow. We don't typically get very much here. We just get a lot of cold air and then a little bit of moisture. Hey Myrtle. But here's all the baby goats. Look at them. They're all over the place. Are you guys all in a playful mood, huh? So what we're going to do is Brandon's going to come down too. I'm going to shoe Cressida a little bit. I'm probably going to freak everybody out by dragging this, but this is the ramp to the milk stand. Oh, it's caught. So anyway, I just slid it over so they can't escape. And now we can hang out with them. Hi, everybody. I'm just going to find a spot over here. Hi, Cedar. And I'm going to sit down and hang out with them all. Yeah. Munchy. Oh, yeah, munchy. What are you doing? My finger tastes good, huh? Does that taste good, huh? Silly girl. You are silly. Munchy. As long as you know you're on diet, huh? Yeah. So curious. You won't let me catch it.
She's being silly. She's being silly, huh? Well, this one's little nipples.
Well, we ended up losing our sunlight. That other storm started to move in, so we'll be getting more snow here shortly. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching the little babies playing around. We got a few of them friendly, so basically we just sit there and work on them every day, or as much as we can, to get them all friendly. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you soon.